Hi, in this video we will be having a revision for our final exam. We're mainly going to revise the practical part. In the practical part, you are requested to design a website using Expression Web. Here I created my source folder. Inside that folder, there will be another folder for the images we will be using inside our folder. In the exam, I'm gonna give you the source folder with the images folder and a Word folder that contains the instructions of the website. Before starting in the exam, you need to rename that folder with your name. So I'm gonna name it like student name. Okay, then you need to open Expression Web. It's already opened here from site menu, and remember, Expression Web will open with the previous website, so you need to click site, ignore what do we have here, and click site, new site. By default we're having general and one page site. Browse, select the folder we just renamed it was on desktop, this one, and open. Okay, now we created our website inside the folder. If we opened it now, we're having a HTML file here. Double click the default .html, and remember we're gonna keep its name as default.html. On default HTML or our home page, we need to have like a title describing our website. Here we're having one, desserts of the world. I'm gonna copy it and paste it here. Okay, I need to change this one to be like H1. Okay, then I'm going to right click, page properties, and I will be changing the background, more colors. I love this one. Okay, and I need to change the title of the web page again from page properties, formatting, general title. It should be home page. Okay, so we're gonna save all and right click, open with Google Chrome. Okay, now we're having a title as home page and only a heading from type H1. Okay, then we need to create a new HTML page for each dessert we will be talking about. To create a new HTML or a new web page, we're going to select the source folder and make sure to select the source folder, so everything you're going to create will be inside that folder. Right click, new HTML, rename it to be Rasmalaya, okay, which is a name of a dessert from India. Double click the page here, and remember that you need to keep the name of the page .html. Okay, to keep the type of the file. Here we're having the name Rasmalaya. Copy. I'm gonna paste it here. Again, I needed a heading from type H1. Then we need another heading, but this one is somehow small. Okay, it should be here to the left, and this one from type H 3, okay, and here we're having like a paragraph describing that dessert. Okay, I need it to start to the left. Okay, this one should be a paragraph. Okay, make sure it's a paragraph. And here we're gonna add, after the name, we're gonna add the image. So from the images folder, if it's collapsed, uncollapse it and drag and drop the image. I'm gonna give it an alternative name as RAS. Okay, you may select it and just minimize the size a little bit. Now we need to change the title of the web page, change the background of the page as we did in the home page. Right click, page properties. From the title it would be Ras Malaya, okay, for the title. And for the background page, select any suitable background as you like. I'm gonna make mine with the same color of the home page. Okay, sorry, I changed the font, I didn't change the background. So page properties again, formatting, this is the text, I'm gonna make it automatic, and this one should be that one. Okay, it's time for adding some styles to our web page. We're gonna start with the heading. Okay, but before changing the heading, we need to remove any inline style. The inline styles are the styles we bring with us when we copied from the Word document. So right click and remove the inline styles. Okay, and from apply styles, new style, we're gonna start with H1. Okay, from the selected here, select H1, and the font, I'm gonna change the color, okay, to be like pinkish one. Okay, and we may make it like underlined, so tick this one. And for the font weight, we may make it bold, which is already bold. Okay, it will be displayed the same as we're having here. We may change the font type to any type we need. Apply. Okay, it's already changed here. If we need to have like a background for the paragraphs and to change its font color as well, again from new style, from the selector we need to select P for paragraph, and for the background it will be white. Okay, and for the font color, again from font, the color will be in dark blue. We may change the font family, but I'm gonna keep the default family, the default font. Apply. Okay. If some paragraph styles were applied anywhere on the web page, just select the place. Okay, and make sure that you're having the P sign displayed here. From the drop down menu, make it none. Okay, so we just removed any paragraph tag on the screen. Now it's time for adding some styles to the image. So from new style again, the selector this time will be IMG, and border, change border style, don't need it hidden, I need it doubled, and it should be thick. And for the color, I need it brown. apply. And for the position, I needed to start here or here, 450 from the left. Make sure to change the position to be relative to what? To the value I'm gonna enter, which is 300. We said 450. Okay, apply. Okay. If you wanna add any style for heading H3, go for it. Save all. I'm gonna do a third HTML for the third dessert, the pie. Okay, so again select the folder, right click, new, HTML, change its name before the dot and keep .html to pie. Okay, enter. Now we're having an empty web page. Do the same, just page properties, change its title to pie, and from the formatting, change the background to any needed color. I'm gonna keep the same background for all the web pages and so on. Now I'm almost done with my website. I added a new image on the default homepage or on the homepage. Again, remember, do not change the name of default homepage to any other names, as Expression Web will recognize default.html as the homepage of your website. Okay, so keep it default.html. Here for Rasmalaya page, it's already done, but I need to add like a video for the recipe. Click here to watch a video. Okay, if you wish to remove the paragraph styles, just click here and give it any other tag. I'm gonna make it H4. Okay, I already searched YouTube for Rasmalaya recipe. This one is fine. I'm gonna take the URL of the video and make sure to take it with the HTTP protocol. Select and copy back to Expression Web. Select the text here, which will be your hyperlink. From insert menu, hyperlink, and in address, paste your address here. I need to change the size, so I'm gonna make it H3. Okay, here I made a pie HTML page for the pie dessert, and here we're having a different Japanese dessert. Okay, sorry, it's a Chinese one. I made the same. I changed the background. From page properties, I added a title and I added any style I need. This one is for H1, and this one for the image, and this one for the B tag or the paragraph. Okay, here we're gonna click save all. We're having two options to make like a link between the 4 pages. We may create here in the default homepage like a hyperlink here. Okay, like Rasmalaya. Okay, we may write Rasmalaya here, and before it we may write homepage. Okay, leave a space between them, select the word homepage from insert, hyperlink. We may make it on default homepage to open the homepage. And for Rasmalaya, we're gonna select it from insert, hyperlink, and select Rasmalaya page. Okay, if we click save all, yes, and we right click open with Google Chrome. When we click Rasmalaya here, we're gonna open the Rasmalaya page. If we get back to Expression Web and we copied the two of them, I selected them, then right click, copy and paste them to the Rasmalaya page. Okay, and paste them here. Okay, I'm just copying and paste to save time instead of making them again. Save all, refresh. Here we're having a link here to move back to home page, Rasmalaya, to the Rasmalaya page. We may add more hyperlinks for the buy and for the Chinese dessert and so on, but I don't like the hyperlink way. We're gonna do another method for linking the pages using the page frames. From here, okay, we're gonna create a page, or from file, new page, any of them. The page type will be frames, pages, banners and content, and click OK. Now we're having our frame. Okay, it's named Untitled1.html. It's a different type of HTML pages. On the main space on the frame, this one in the middle, we're having two options: set initial page and new page. I'm gonna set the initial page as the home page default HTML. Now we're having our page displayed here in the middle. Here we're going to, at the top, we're going to create a new page. In the exam, I'm gonna ask you to write your name, so we're gonna write made by, and here you need to type your name. I'm gonna keep it, type your name. Okay, you may change this one to, instead of a paragraph, to be heading H1, or H1 is too big, make it H3. Okay, right click, work with it as a normal page. Right click, page properties, change its color to any color you need as you like. We're gonna make it this one. Okay, and here on the left we're gonna create like a new page. On that page we're gonna create a menu for opening the three pages here: Rasmalaya, the buy, and the Chinese dessert. We're gonna create here interactive buttons. So from insert menu, interactive button, I love this one. Those are different styles, so select any style you wish. On the text we're gonna type Rasmalaya. Okay, so that will be the text displayed on the button. For the link, browse and select Rasmalaya. Okay, page. Before clicking OK, we need to change the target frame to be the middle. If we didn't do that and we click OK, the button will be created. We're going to save all. Yes. Okay, right click the Untitled 1, open with Google Chrome. When we click Rasmalaya, the Rasmalaya page will be opened on the frame here or on the page on the left. To avoid that, we're going to select the target frame to be the main frame. Double click, browse, target frame, main, okay, and make sure to select Rasmalaya HTML, okay, save, and here refresh. When we click here, it will be opened here. We're going to create another one for the second page, like insert interactive button. This one will be buy, okay, and for the link, browse the buy one and target frame again, main, select the part here, okay, and click OK. We didn't create one for the home page, so I'm gonna put my mouse here and just enter here. The first one should be for the home page. For the link, it should be default target frame. Now you know what we should do. Okay, let me minimize the space between them. Finally, we're gonna create one for the Chinese dessert. Okay, again, put your mouse here, keep a space. Okay, finally, this one. Okay. For browse target frame, the main, okay, and here it should be this one for the Chinese dessert. Okay, we're almost done. Save all, refresh here. When we click Rasmalaya, it will open the Rasmalaya page. When we click here, it will open the Chinese dessert. When we click buy, it will open this one. When we click home, we will be back to the home page. Finally, we need to display another name for our project, and instead of untitled one, right click here, and instead of page properties, make it frame properties, and from frames pages general again, the untitled one will be my website مثلا. Okay, and save all again. Here in Google Chrome, refresh, and my website is displayed as a title. Finally, if any of the panels here are not displayed on your version, from panels here, make sure the folder list, this one, is selected. Now it's not displayed. Click here to be displayed. This part is called apply styles, again from panels, and apply style should be tagged. Okay, good luck inshallah, and if you're having any question, do not hesitate to message me on Classera.